Alright, first off, I think this is a little bit of a concept video just to make sure that I'll be like, hey, does this work well? I think it does. Anywho, um, what I want to talk about is simply I quit my job way too early. I was working at a gas station. Pretty much all my life, I should be at a tech job, but I've never gotten a tech job just because, well, I've gotten one tech job, which was I was a front end web developer at a real estate marketing company, but I ended up quitting it because I fell in love with automation in a programming language called Python. Automated my job, it got so boring, and I quit to start a Minecraft server. Yeah. Anywho, um, I learned a lot of lessons along my way. Is I can't work for other people because for some reason it's just hard. I know how to work for myself, so that's kind of what I'm trying to do now, right? Although it's a lot more work. So, anyways, earlier this year, I was working at a gas station and I quit my job too early because the government said, hey, look, we're going to need a stimulus check. And they said this around May. And then they're like, maybe around fall, we'll get to it. And then they're like, before the election. And then they're like, after the election. And now they're like, around the inauguration. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, government. Thank you. I'm so glad this is what we pay you to do. I'm so glad this is why we selected you to do that. Thank you. Thank you. So, anyways, I quit my job too early because I could not tell other people how to live their life. I don't care where you stand on the whole mask mandate stuff. My thing is, I don't like to tell other people how they should live their life. Okay? So, I might suggest something, but if you don't listen to me, that's not on me, man. That's on you. I don't care. But I was about to basically get fired for not telling people, hey, put a mask on. Because it's like I had to force them to put a mask on in order to come into it. And I'm like, no, I don't want to do that. So, quit my job too early. I'm now waiting on the crypto moon. Although, we're low. We're almost there. Almost there. I don't believe in latching on to the government system too much. So I didn't file for unemployment. I didn't file for anything, food stamps. I have too much pride for that, unfortunately, which kind of sucks because I could use the help. But this entire project, Productive Place is the accountability system to get my ass going. It's the information hub to share my thoughts, to share my things that I see that are awesome and cool. And news. I love following news. And then it's also a documentation journey. Shout outs to Gary Vaynerchuk. Document, don't create. And this is something I've been struggling with. But time is running out. The Great Reset is almost here. What are you going to do? What are you going to do when the whole world resets? And things are more competitive. More competitive. And the world's in chaos. And the technology outbeats you. Now you're just this worthless bag of meat compared to a non-stop, relentless robot. Robots, like people like me, end up programming to replace people like you. It's a vicious world. So, I don't know. I just want to inspire other people to get involved into what's happening in the future. It's cryptocurrency, that's understanding tech, understanding the marketplace of remote jobs, getting healthier because things are gonna get crazy, and you're gonna need that energy. You're gonna need that health, that vitality. And then another crazy one is on things like philosophy. I love philosophy. I love psychology. I love understanding the mysteries of the universe. So we're going to talk a lot about that too here. We're a different type of self-development group. We're a bunch of people just trying to figure out how are we going to survive this next thing. So I welcome all of you guys to join our Telegram group. The link is down below, and that'll be the alerts, but then you can go ahead and you can just click into there, and that'll go into the community communication group. Or you can join us on our website at productiveplace.com/forum. Or you can do /dashboard too, whatever, /community. All those should have the sign up button, the login button. Website dedicated has a forum, is what we want. You could post your own blog posts, although we are a little bit restrictive, as in if it doesn't meet the categories, then we might not approve it, because we just don't want random spam or garbage posted to it. But other than that, if you want to share ideas with the community, you go, hey, I saw this really cool article, let's talk about it. Like, heck yeah, let's talk about it. Yeah, and then if you have questions about the robots, man, I know a thing or two about the robots. So come join ProductivePlace.com, Telegram group, whatever, Peace.